Hi, I'm Shayna Lane. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. As you've seen from the title, today we're doing a Gwynnie Bee unboxing and try-on. For those of you that don't know, Gwynnie Bee is a size-inclusive, including plus size up to size 32, I believe, clothing rental service, and it's really wonderful. I love it. I'm a huge fan of it, and the best part is you can try it for a month for free with no obligation. Check out my referral link in the description box below, and I'd love to hear your comments if you do decide to try it. So far a few people have taken me up on it, and they've really enjoyed it and been sad when their month trial ended. And a couple of my friends have even decided to go on and pay for the monthly subscription after the first month. But hey, a month free and you get to try some cool clothes, why not? So anyway, this week I'm on the 2 at a time plan. So I go online, I pick out items to my virtual closet. I can read other women's reviews, and they also on the app advise you on what size you want to get. And then they send you 2 items. You can also prioritize items to try to get them as soon as they're available. And then they send me 2 new clothing items. Mostly I get dresses. I get to wear them as much as I want, and then usually I try to keep it on a weekly rotation, so I wear the 2 dresses usually a couple times a week to go to work, and then over the weekend I throw them in the return mailer right here, seal them up, drop them off in the post office, and I mark on the app as soon as I decide I don't want to buy them, because you can also decide to keep the items and purchase them at a greatly discounted rate off the retail price. As soon as I decide, no, I'm not going to buy these, I tell the app, hey, I'm going to return them, and then they start preparing my next box. So it's really great. I basically get 2 new items every week as long as I'm good about returning and, updating them, and I don't decide to keep them longer. So this week I'm super excited because I got 2 items that I had prioritized. The first one is a dress from Hutch in a size 2X, and this is a brand that I've discovered through Gwynnie Bee, and I've really been enjoying them. And this dress is so cute. I believe it's a wrap dress, and it has a squirrel print on it, which I just thought was so funny and cute. I'm all about these cute little prints. Can you see there's little squirrels with their little nuts? And it feels like a nice light, not too stretchy material. It has the navy blue background, so hopefully that fits well. We will see in the try-on portion. And the next item I received this week is from the brand Adriana Papel in a size US 18W. And I just thought this was so pretty, and the colors on this floral print really just popped off this light gray background. And I'm a sucker for a v-neck. I basically always get everything with a v-neck, and I like these little cap sleeves because I can then wear it to work without having to do some kind of cardigan or whatever, although my office is usually pretty cold, so it's not a huge deal if I do have to throw on a cardigan or like a crop denim jacket or something, but I like the option to not have to do that as well. So I just think this is really nice. This feels like a not too heavy sort of scuba fabric with a good amount of stretch. It feels like it's going to lay nicely, skim over the body and not cling to any imperfections, so that's great. And we'll check it out in the try-on portion. Here's the Hutch squirrel wrap dress. I knew from reading the reviews that it is pretty low cut. Here it definitely is a super low cut. It shows my bra that I have on, so I'll have to wear a cami when I wear it out, but and I also knew it was a little on the short side, which I don't mind. I think as long as it's not too short that it's going to show my business. I think that shorter dresses show off my apple shape and my thinner legs in a good way. I don't usually go for long dresses or even like midi length or maxi dresses for sure. It took me quite a while to find the tiny hole to wrap the ties around. Like I was thinking I was crazy because I really could not see any hole to tie it, but I finally found this tiny little hole and got it wrapped around and tied up. So it's pretty nice. Once you get it through the hole, then the other side can go all the way around you, and then tie there at the section. I like the kind of ruffly edge, and I think the pattern is so cute. The material is nice and light, great for these warmer months, and the print is super cute. But yeah, like you can see, definitely, I don't know what they were thinking with this, how deep it is. I guess if you had some really small bust, maybe it wouldn't do that, but a cami or a bandeau bra or something should fix that, so I can still wear it. I like the little sleeves. There's plenty of room, but not too much room. And there's the look at the back. So just a super cute, fun little squirrel print dress. One more close-up look at the little squirrels. Pardon the bra showing. Here is the Adriana Papel dress. I think it fits great. It's definitely a little bit more form-fitting than I was expecting, but like I said, the kind of thick, not too thick, but the nice weight of the stretchy scuba material is pretty forgiving, I think. I really like the print, and I like the little cap sleeves, the V-neck. It's a good length, hitting me kind of just right below my knee. And here's the back. This is a really comfortable and pretty dress. Give you a closer look at the print. If I haven't said already, today I'm wearing my Avengers Endgame shirt that I got from Walmart because my husband and I are finally going to get to go see Avengers. Have you seen it yet? Leave me in the comment below. Hopefully I'll have already seen it by the time I check your comments, so we don't have to worry about spoilers, but just let me know if you've seen it and if you enjoyed it. And also leave me a comment if you decide to try Gwynnie Bee. I'd love to hear about your experience. And then finally, even if you don't decide to try it, let me know which of the two dresses did you like best from this week's Gwynnie Bee box of mine. Alright, well again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out lots more plus size fashion videos, and if you have a channel, please let me know. I'd love to check it out. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.